ko makita.
Score check, Beth. Excuse me po.
Service at Kawili.
Nuevo with the receive. Sarmiento. Francisco binalik ang bola sa kabila. De La Rosa with the set.
Tumalo si Aubrey. Paso! Score check. Alabang 14, QC at 11.
Sub for Alabang.
Substitution. Yung. Alabang 13 at QC.
Sub for Alabang. Sub Alabang. Kanino ako magsasub?
Sinong ipapasok ng Alabang?
De La Serna in.
De La Serna in. Service again by Agkawili. Ayun, nabuhay pa ba? Nabuhay pa ba? Nabuhay!
Nice save by Alabang.
Okay, set. Palo Ate Aubrey. Nice Alabang. Nice Felix.
Let's go, let's go.
Points.
Mainit-init po ang labanan ngayong second set. Alabang at 14, QZ at 11.
Okay.
Seryoso na po ang labanan at lumipat na po si Blanca Flor na upuan. Nice serve by Sarmiento.
Receive by Agkawili.
De La Rosa with the set.
Palo Ate Aubrey.
Blocked by Francisco.
Inside. Another point for Alabang.
Ayan na po si Tatang umupo na.
Receive by Agkawili.
De La Rosa with the set again. Number 7, nasa ni Nuevo. Balik kay De Vera.
Receive by Agkawili.
De La Rosa.
Palo
Number
Aubrey.
7. Nuevo.
Receive by Sanchez.
Nice save.
Buhay. Happy birthday! Another point for QC.
Wala po tayong kakampi doon mga kapatid.
At pumasok si Kuya Milky para i-receive. Ay, mali. Service by Villanueva.
Nice receive. Nuevo. Nuevo na naman!
Inside, another point for Alabang.
Easy point for Ash Nuevo. Again, De Vera serving the ball with a lucky hand.
16 for Alabang, 12 for QC.
Morco in, De Vera out. Kakatapos ng third party training. Let's go Morco with the serve.
Receive by Agkawili. Set again by De La Rosa. Pinasok si Ami Sanchez.
Grabe naman. Iba ang galing ng third party mga kapatid.
Pero di pumasok.
Alabang at 17, QC at 12. Morco after third party training serving the ball.
Receive by Villanueva. De La
De La
Rosa.
Rosa.
Sanchez.
Sanchez.
Short naman. Another puntos by Sanchez. Service by Salino.
Nice receive by Sarmiento. Francisco and Nuevo. Back to Alabang.
Angel, defending. Pakitapos.
Wala po munang tirahan sa mga pending. Paalala po mga kapatid. Nice serve by Sarmiento. Sorry.
Outside, QC point. Service by De La Rosa. Receive.
Nice receive. Francisco. Nuevo again. Morco with the save.
Buhay.
Nuevo.
Another block.
Napakaganda
QC.
ng blocking.
Hindi umubra ang bola ng
That's a
Ala.
nice play from both teams. Back to QC ball.
Another service from De La Rosa.
QC at 15, Alabang at 18.
Oh, saglit. Go.
Nice save by MM. Nuevo, nice fight.
Point
Yes,
for
sir.
Alabang.
Ala at 19, QC at 15. Balik kay Nuevo. ang pag-serve. Nice serve by Ash. Nalito si Jessa. Alabangan 20, QC at 15. Tatapusin na kaya ni Nuevo ang second set. Nice serve by Nuevo again. Again, wag po bubuhatin ng bola.
Lifting error. Points for Alabang.
Alabangan 21. Nuevo na naman with the serve. Nice.
Outside.
Ito na ang laban ni Taguro at ni Eugene. Nuevo again.
Service error. Balik ang bola sa QC. Service.
Additional point for QC. QC at 16.
Service by Sanchez.
Alabang at 22. Serve by Sanchez. Na-receive ni Nuevo. Sarmiento.
Block by Aubrey and Nagkawili.
That's okay.
Another service. Sanchez. Pasok. Nice receive.
Sarmiento ang ganda.
Set. Nice one. Inside. Villanueva.
Naiwan na butas. Banda rito.
Another service. Sanchez.
Sanchez with the serve. Nice receive. Sarmiento again. Nice one.
Inside. Another point for Alabang. Bang, bang.
Joyce serving the ball. Tatapusin na kaya ang ito. Last 2 points.
Substitution.
Ayan na naman po si AMCJ. Mag-cheer na naman sa kabila.
Sanchez T. Pasok. Salino out. Sanchez T. Pasok.
Nice serve.
Receive by Sanchez T. Palo Villanueva. Another
Sayang.
point for QC.
Matindi ang labanan. QC at 19. Alabang at 23. Nice serve by Jessa. Sarmiento, ang galing mo!
Good. Nag-cross sila sa border ng QC. Sila ay nabaril.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
Ang bag for service.
Jessa again. The ball.
Let's go.
Nice serve by ang bag. Binalik ka agad.
Outside. QC.
QC at 21, Alabang at 23.
Dalawa na
Malapit
lang.
ang labanan ngayong second set.
Inside.
Francisco with the serve. Nice one.
Nice De La Rosa. Ate Aubrey. Points for QC.
QC at 22, Alabang at 23.
Isa na lang. Si Jessa na kaya ang lucky charm ng QC?
Ibang klase ang hampas ni Jessa.
Iba ka talaga, Jessa.
Nuevo. Sarmiento.
Block.
Balik.
Buhay.
Nice one.
Tay.
Tabla na po tayo mga kapatid.
All 23. Alabangin QC.
Mga hulas, labas mo muna sa court.
Service again by Ambag. Nice service.
Nice receive by Miko. Sarmiento. Nice one.
Nice receive.
Ang ganda naman nun. Sarmiento. crossing.
Crossing. Nagdadrive ang aking ate CJ.
Tatapusin na kaya ni Miko ang second set.
Cross-dressing. Sanchez, cross-dressing.
Nice serve. Nice receive.
Nice.
Nice one. Sarmiento.
Buhay ba?
Yes sir! Alaba!